Hey loves, I am bringing you a wash and go tutorial. I'm using Camile Rose products and the Alikay Naturals oil. This is my beautiful mother. I am so excited for me to be doing her hair today. She always has asked me tips about how she can get her wash and go moisturized and how she can get her hair defined. So I was so excited to be able to plan her hair and really pamper her today. So I'm using the curl milk as a leave-in conditioner and then the curl maker as her gel and just putting a little oil on her scalp. So I am smoothing and raking the product into her hair, making sure her hair is coated from root to tip. You definitely want to hit those roots so your hair is not puffy. And I'm just making sure each section is detangled before I apply the product. And of course, we started on clean hair that was conditioned and deep conditioned. And I'm breaking this section down just to make sure everything is coated, hitting the edges, of course. And this is what it looks like after we apply the product. She did air dry, so this is the next day. It is soft, moisturized, and not stiff. My natural hair ebook will be coming out soon. Talk to you later.